If you're encountering an invalid credentials error on Workday 2026, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and regain access to your account. Step 1. Check username and password. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity, as passwords are often case sensitive. Step 2. Reset your password. If you can't remember your password or suspect it may be incorrect, use the password reset option. Follow the prompts to receive a reset link via your registered email. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try logging in again. Step 4. Update your browser. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROG to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to your organization's IT support or Workday support for further assistance. Provide them with details of the error for quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the invalid credentials issue and access your Workday account. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from support services.